cakes look amazing. We're at Egghead Cafe.
You start eating.
Can have a bite. The only question needs an answer. Are you hungry now? Getting hungry now.
Okay, our first stop is at Green World Coffee Farm. Sorry for the motorcycle. Green World Coffee Farms. There's a lot of cool things. Lots of different coffee flavors. There's one for you. Are on our way to Haleiwa, but we are first stopping at the
After
Dole Plantation.
0.2 miles, turn
Sorry
right,
for the
Plantation Road.
directions.
Then, at the end of...
Okay, right up here on the right is the Dole Plantation.
Turn right, then, at the end of the road, turn right.
Are the really pretty eucalyptus trees that you usually see on the road to Hana, but they have them here at the Dole Plantation. Pretty cool looking. That one you can really see the color. Okay, we are here at the Dole Plantation. I usually always get a Dole Whip, but we just ate breakfast, so I'm not in the mood for a Dole Whip today, but I usually do get one. It's really good. It's with pineapple and I'm not sure what else they use to make the whip, but it's really good. It's really pretty. These are the pretty gardens around the Dole Plantation. Headed. They have a pineapple garden maze. The maze looks like a pineapple, so you could do that. There's a train ride and all sorts of different things that you could do here. That's what a Dole Whip looks like. Alright, no trip to Hawaii wouldn't be the same if you didn't see a few roosters hanging around. Okay, in this store, you're gonna find everything to do with a pineapple. Literally anything. Good morning. So, hello. Those are pretty. Those are really cool. Alright, we are getting close to Haleiwa town, going by the pine woods. Okay, we made it to Haleiwa. Okay, the food truck park is up here on your right hand side. There's where the famous Giovanni's is, right over here in the corner here. That's the Haleiwa right here. Haleiwa Cafe. Okay, and we are going to be going right up here into that plaza. If you see that right up here, Dave, there's where I would like to go first. I'll tell you when to turn. See where that plaza is? That's the first stop in Haleiwa that we're going to go to. So we're going to the marketplace. Cute little plaza with a little bit of shopping, North Shore Shopping Center. Some pretty hibiscus flowers right here. Okay, this is Haleiwa town, where all the shopping is. Alright, we made it to Haleiwa store lots. This is where Matsumoto Shave Ice is. We're at the Matsumoto Shave Ice here in Haleiwa. Everyone seems to go here to get their shaved ice. This is the cute little plaza. Alright, we're here at the North Shore Macadamia Nut Farm. So I'm going to check this place out and see what they have for macadamia nuts. They do have coffee, but David won't let me get another coffee. So we're just going to come right over here. Just get a picture of the sign. We're in Waimea. This is where all the surfers go to the beach right over here to surf. To the left there.
Turn right onto Waimea Valley Road.
It helped my pain. It's unbelievable. It really is. It's not like going to the drugstore and getting off the rack.
There we are at the Waimea Valley.
Continue for half a mile.
You'll leave within the same day, but not before.
Yeah, this is where all the surfers go.
See the difference right away as you walk
On the other side, they usually
with your feet.
dig a hole in the beach to let the water through when it gets backed up when it rains.
They know what they're doing.
We are headed towards Waimea Valley to go to the Waimea Falls today. So we'll take you on the journey. Ah, the roosters.
Yeah, spring is here. It means the hot weather can't be too far behind in Hawaii, so act now if you need to live in your sight. The noise and the heat out keep your heart hard, air conditioning in.
Okay, we are at Waimea Falls, Waimea Valley. We are headed towards the waterfall. I'm going to show you that. We're not really stopping much because we want to have lunch at a decent time today. Okay, there's the waterfall. Waimea Falls in Waimea Valley on the island of Oahu. Still a little bit of a walk from here. So just show you the floral.
Oh yeah. It's the same tree before, the calabash.
Okay, they do have a fence up here now. I guess there's a lot of fallen rock decaying. But we're getting a little bit closer to the waterfall right now. Waimea Valley. We are now off to the Turtle Bay Resort to check that resort out. It's supposed to be really, really nice and exclusive. So we are off there right now. Across the street is Waimea Bay, where the surfers surf. When there's high surf, you may be able to get a view when we come up around the bend here.
Which way is it?
Right. There's a pillbox hike around here somewhere, but we're not going to attempt to try that today. It's very hard to find a parking spot around here. Sharks Cove is somewhere around here. I'm not exactly sure where it is, but as you can see, it's very busy here, so we won't be stopping there. Trucks are in there. Food trucks. That's across the street from Sunset Beach. And I think Sharks Cove is right over there.
Make a U-turn, then turn left.
Okay, we are driving into the Turtle Bay Resort.
Make a U-turn, then turn left. After 300 feet, make a U-turn.
This is the Byodo Inn Temple in Kanoahe. That's the gong over there. This is the gong. Fish. Huge Buddha inside this temple.
You